Yeah, g'day guys, just Peej here. Welcome back to another vid. Me, Grub, Eli and Ella went out this morning in the new boat. We're gonna go for a bit of a dive, but the water was way too dirty. So me and Grub dropped them off and now we're out here just fishing a bit. Hopefully get some fish, Savo, but yeah, we'll catch you soon. What are you doing, you crippled? Yeah, that boy.
So after all that, we managed one little jack. Peej got a small one. So we're packing up the boat now as we got to start heading back up river. Eli's gonna pick us up. He might meet us at barge and come for a bit of a fish as the sun goes down, but we'll see what happens. So let's go, eh? There we go. There you got it. Look at that. Does it get any better?
Oh, got him.
Ruchi on the hot seat. Woo! Woohoo! Look at the blues. That skills on him. How's the shot on him? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful. Got no one of your
You missed the pick. Kobe it.
piggy biscuits.